Hi guys, I'm experimenting with that PLA that I picked up in a charity shop a while back. Sunlu Deep Purple PLA Plus. Now, I've had problems with PLA Plus in the past. Obviously you have to change the settings on your printer, but I just don't seem to be able to get it quite right for it this time. I actually gave up about a week or so ago. In fact, no, it's probably nearly a month ago. But it's been sitting there looking at me and I thought I'd give it another try. So I've changed the settings again. I'm up to about 225 degrees temperature on the nozzle. Still got funny little artifacts coming out. Trying a new pulse motor, mainly to try out the PLA. This is a different design, not much different. It still have the coil under here with a panel on the front and the electronics in there. The difference is I'm trying to just suspend it so it's centrally supported. And I've no idea how much that's going to rock around. And I'm trying out a Poundland gin glass, I think they market that one as, just as the top end. So that's just a little update. These things, I bought some vinyl records, 45s, that I want to use as wheels on my rubber band powered cars. I've done it before, but this time I thought I'd 3D print a hub so I can put a barbecue skewer through there. So that's what these are about. Designed to go in the gap that you get there. You can actually punch that right out and you have a, well, something that size coming out of your turntable. But if you haven't got that thing sticking out your turntable, you use the ordinary centre pin. So that will go through there with a little bit of a push because it's designed to be a tight fit. There we go. So that's where we are at the moment with the filament. You can see it's not right. There's still problems with it. I just want to use it up now that I paid for it. Well, I thought we were making progress with this new filament because that thing turned out more or less okay. There are some little sparkly bits on it that shouldn't be there. Little sort of bubble things. But I thought I might have got my settings right. And, you know, that more or less turned out right. But this is the next one. I thought I'd go for doing another rubber band powered car using these rods. So this is the connectors for those rods. But as you can see, one side was going reasonably okay and the other side was going okay up to that level, and then somehow or other that's lifted off the bed and twisted round and it's all gone to pot there. But it was worse than that because I've got this bit where it's curving up on the bottom as well and deforming. That should be a nice round circle. So I still haven't got it quite right. I am actually printing this again. I've redesigned it slightly so there's less chance of it curling up on the ends. And I don't need it to be quite as tall as I was making it. I was making it 30 millimeters tall. I've reduced the height to 20 millimeters. So I'm now doing another print run. Same thing again. In fact, a couple of extra bits in the middle for another purpose. But that was disappointing. I thought we'd actually cracked it and I thought we were okay. So I'm using the same settings, but a slightly different design. I'm not using a raft. I'm not using... is it a skirt? I can't remember, the one that just puts a layer around the bottom. What I am using is one that puts a little ring round the outside just to get the filament running, and then it goes in and prints the main thing. We'll see. If it does work, then I'll go ahead and make the rubber band powered car using those wheels, and that'll be on my rubber band powered car channel. If it fails, well, I'll do an update just to let you know whether it succeeds or fails, but the actual car build will be on the other channel. Good morning. Another attempt using this silk PLA dark purple with different heat settings. That's given me no end of trouble. So this is what we've got. Again, it's curved up on the ends here. It shouldn't be like that. Somehow it's curving up. Now whether I got it too hot or whether I've got the bed too hot, I don't know. Whatever it is, the extremities are curving. That's supposed to be flat like the top edge. It's curving up. So I'll have to try some different settings. These look like they'll actually work for the purpose I've designed them for, more or less, although that's supposed to be a nice round hole on the end there. It's clearly not. I could probably drill it out to fit. Same on that end. Yeah, it's all getting a bit frustrating. But on the other hand, I'm looking at it, I've paid for this PLA, got it cheap in a charity shop. I might as well experiment with it and see if I can sort it out for future reference. Just looking at the box again. Now, this latest run, I'm running it at 225 degrees centigrade on the nozzle, and I think I've got 70 on the platform or build plate. Yeah, it's PLA plus. Oh, come on, focus. That's what it says there. Or silk PLA plus. Well, they don't specifically say silk PLA plus there anyway, unless that SPLA is supposed to be silk PLA. Well, pretty close. Looks like I might try the bed a bit hotter still. So I think I'm running on 70 at the moment. This is a glass bed with some sort of coating that's supposed to make it stick when it's hot. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.